Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman and today I will present about what is DC motor and how to control the DC motor. First of all, DC motor is a motor which convert electrical energy to a mechanical energy. Obey the principle of Lorentz law, which state that a current carrying conductor which placed on an electrical or a magnetic field experience a force.
Hi, my name is Lokman Hakim and today I will continue about Aiman's topic, which is DC motor. I'm going to explain how do we control the speed of a DC motor. By using the equation of a speed of DC motor, we know that there are some variables that we can change that will change the speed of the motor. These variables include the speed, the voltage supply, armature voltage drop, and also field flux. With these three variables, we know that there are ways that we can change the speed of a DC motor.
Now we will talk about the three methods of how to control the speed of the DC motor. I will start with the first one, is the flux controlling method. Due to the field winding, the magnetic flux varies in order to vary the speed of the DC motor. As we can see, the magnetic flux is highly dependent on the current flowing through the field winding. This shows that we can try to manipulate with the value of the current flows. How to do it? We will use the variable resistor in a series circuit to see this result. The variable resistor is put at its minimum position, which will produce the normal rate of magnetic flux. Also the current flows also will be normal. Hence the speed of the DC motor is kept at its normal rate. But when the resistance is gradually increase, we can see that the current flows through the field winding is decreased. Magnetic flux also will decrease. This will produce the speed of the DC motor highly than usual.
I am going to explain the second method, which is the armature control method. We can control the armature resistance so that the value of the armature voltage drops change. When the value of the voltage drop across the armature change, this correlate with the speed of a DC motor. It is also will change the value. Okay, so how can we use this method? This method will be used by putting the variable resistance in a series with the armature. When the variable resistor reach its minimum value, then the armature resistance is at a normal. Therefore, the armature voltage drops. However, if we increase the value of the resistance of the variable resistor, then the voltage across the armature will drop. Therefore, the speed of a DC motor also drops, and then we can change the speed below its normal range.
For the third method, it is called the voltage control method. Previously, there are the two methods. They have some drawbacks that are not here in the third method. For example, the flux control method will produce commutation, whereas the armature control method will involve a huge power loss. Therefore, a desirable third method is produced, which is a voltage control method. In this method, it is very easy to control, as we can control the voltage, we can control the speed. In such method, the field winding is being given a fixed voltage, whereas the armature is being given a variable voltage. One such technique in voltage control method is we are using a switch gear mechanism to provide a variable voltage to the armature, and the other method are using AC driven generator to provide a variable voltage to the armature. This is called a Watt-Leonard system.
That's all from us, me and Aiman, for our electrical technology presentation. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to press the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notifications bell.